Hello guys, our topic for today is all about lattice method in multiplication. Okay, let us take these numbers to be multiplied using the lattice method. So we have 87 times 43. Okay, so in here we're going to draw a big square and divide it into two equal parts and another two equal parts in the horizontal way. Okay, why? Because there are two digits in here, the multiplier, and another multiplier is that is also a two-digit number. So we're going to write in here now. On top of this square, you have to write 8 tens and 7 ones. Here we have 4 tens and 3 ones. Okay, and let us draw a diagonal line in here, a diagonal line also in here, and a diagonal in here. Okay, so we're going to multiply now this one. Let us start with this. Let us cover so that we'll not be confused. We have here the arrow, meaning to say the product. When you multiply this, you're going to write it here. 8 times 3 is 24. So you're going to write it here. And then, let us move this up. There's another square in here. We have 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Then we have here. Okay, we have this. So we have to multiply 8 times 4 is equal to 32. So let us write 32 in here. Then we have to take also the product of this, which is 7 times 3 is 21. So let us write it here. Okay, then in order to find for the product, so that you'll not be confused, we're going to cross this out, so that we'll not be including these numbers. What you're going to do is to add this here, add all this diagonally. But you are going to start it here. That is 1. So you're going to write here. Then add 8 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 14. So you write here the 4 ones, and you're going to carry this 1. Then add 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. Then we have here 3. Okay? There. Then what you're going to do now is to get all these numbers in here. The answer, therefore, or the product is equal to 3,741. Okay, so 87 times 43 is equal to 3,741. Okay, let us take another example in here. Example using the lattice method. Let's say we have here 94 times 63 is equal to what? Let us find for the product of this using the lattice method. So using the lattice method, let us draw a big square and divide this into 4 equal parts. Why? Because there are 2 digits in here and 2 digits in the second multiplier. Okay? So let us write 9 in here and 4 in here. Then 6 here and 3 here. Then you're going to draw a diagonal in here, a diagonal also in here, and in here. Okay? Let us make use of this arrow so that we will not be confused what numbers you are going to multiply and where we're going to write. Okay? So we are multiplying, as you could see in here, 9 times 3 is equal to 27. And the arrow is pointing in here, so we're going to write it here, 27. Okay? Next is, we have this arrow, meaning we are multiplying 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So we're going to write in here 24. Next is, we have to multiply this also. We have 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And we're going to multiply also this. We have 4 times 3 is 12. And then, we're going to add all this now. But before, we're going to cross this out so that we will not be including these numbers in adding in order to find for the product. So you start here, you have here 2. Then, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So you're going to write here 12, the ones, and the tens, you're going to write it here. That is carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is equal to 9. Then, you're going to copy 5. Therefore, the answer now for 94 times 63 is equal to 5,922. Okay? You got it? Thank you so much.